Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about one of our newly developed mechanical keyboard switches, GT06 series mechanical keyboard switches with a 4mm driver. As everyone knows, the most important characteristics of a computer keyboard are the actuation force and the driver distance required for key activation, the key haptics. Mechanical keyboard switches with individual haptics, linear, tactile, and click pressure point. The mechanical keyboard switches with different haptics that offers us a different experience when gaming or typing. Now I would like to show you guys our two popular keyboard switches with beautiful colors and designs. Here we go, the yellow one, linear type mechanical keyboard switches. It has light guide and ultra-quiet functions. These linear silent switches produce extremely smooth keystrokes with no tactile bump and include sound dampeners to reduce its already low sound profile even further. When you press the actuator of the keyboard switches, you won't hear a sound like this. And the green one, click tactile mechanical keyboard switches. Hear and feel the satisfying feedback in every keystroke you make with clicky tactile design that offers optimized actuation and reset points for better precision and performance when gaming. When you press down the actuator, you will hear clear sound like this. Currently, our GT06 series mechanical switches are produced with the following advantages. Small and compact structural design guarantees reliable contacts, safe and long-lasting reliability of switching performance and characteristics, pleasant actuation feeling with little resistance, very short bounce time for high switching frequencies such as for fast typing, safe clean contacts resistant to dust and dirt. The light get column get the lights with different colors. The switch glows softly but not dazzling. Has an extremely high service life up to 8 million strokes due to unique gold crosspoint contacts. These mechanical keyboard switches are mainly used on computer keyboards, cash registers, and industrial equipments. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys can find the right keyboard switches that you want. Thank you so much for watching.